Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a custom ROM after unlocking the bootloader of the OnePlus 8T. You need to be on OxygenOS 11. OxygenOS 12 is not supported. Now go into settings and about phone and tap the build number 5 to 7 times. Then enter your PIN and then go out to developer options, enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. After entering your PIN, it should work. Now connect your device to a PC and you need ADB and fastboot drivers. So please download those drivers and minimal ADB platform tools as well. So let's get started. Now you can enter the ADB devices command to see if your device is attached. Now, if a code is shown on device, then it shows that your device is perfectly connected to the PC. Now type ADB reboot bootloader and your device should boot in fastboot mode. As you can see, the device has booted into fastboot mode. Now you need to enter fastboot OEM unlock and select yes on the phone by using the volume buttons and power button. After selecting yes, the device will wipe itself off, so please make sure to back up any data you want. After wiping, it will also boot to OxygenOS. As you can see, it booted back to OxygenOS. Now we need to restart into fastboot mode again to install our custom ROM. So let's restart it. Now what I did here, I just only pressed the volume down key and power key, whereas to get into fastboot mode you need to press volume up and down and power key, all three keys simultaneously. But volume down key and power key makes the phone enter into recovery mode. From there also you can select reboot to bootloader. So bootloader and fastboot mode is the same if any of you guys are confused. So we are back into fastboot mode. Now what I'm doing here is I'm flashing the recovery provided by the custom ROM developer. I have renamed it to Pixel Rec. I'm renaming the custom ROM zip file to Pixel. Now what you need to do is to flash recovery you need to type fastboot flash recovery and whatever the name of the recovery is .img. Press enter. Now I encountered an error here, so this error can be fixed by just rebooting the bootloader. So I rebooted it and I will type it again. And as you can see, and it works. So the recovery is flashed and I will reboot to recovery mode from here. So Pixel experience recovery is booted. So I will select apply update and apply update from ADB in the recovery, and I will type the code ADB sideload pixel.zip and it will start flashing the recovery. I'm fast forwarding the clip up so that you guys can understand it. So it completed flashing, and just for safety you go into a format and format data to be safe from any kind of errors. Now reboot and your phone should boot into Pixel Experience ROM. You can flash any custom ROM through this process. Just make sure that the recovery is of that custom ROM only. And please remember, you need to be on OxygenOS 11 only. This will not work if you are on OxygenOS 12. If you are on OxygenOS 12, please downgrade back to OxygenOS 11. See, device is booted into Pixel Experience ROM. Thank you.